Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is the reproduction in animals. So, in case, what is the reproduction? You know, there are a number of the organisms living on the earth, and they produce their young ones. They produce their young ones, that's why the life sustain on the earth. Existence of life on the earth. No one is immortal. After some time, there is a life process. A person take birth, grow, become young, adult, and after becoming adult, there is downfall in its life, and aging is there, and due to aging, the organism become older and older. Ultimately, after particular time, complete its life span, the organism will die. Death of the organism occur. It is the universal truth. Who take the birth, it will be die. कभी न कभी तो वो मरेगा ही। ये बात अलग है कि some of the organisms having less life span, some of the organisms having large, long life span, some having few minutes, some having many years. So, to sustain the life on the earth, what is important? Formation of new organisms. Formation of new organisms. So, look over here. Reproduction. Production plus re. Again production. The process of formation of new organisms. The process of formation of new organisms or new ones. The process of formation of new organisms or new ones. The process of formation of new organisms or new ones by old ones. By old ones or pre-existing organisms. The formation of new organisms or old by old ones or pre-existing. Pre-existing means जो पहले से ऑर्गेनिज्म रहती हैं उनसे, by the pre-existing ones. This process of formation of the new organism from the old ones, from the pre-existing organisms, this process is called as reproduction. Got it? Now students, look types of reproduction. The reproduction basically is of two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. What do you mean by asexual reproduction? A kind of reproduction in which only one parent takes part. कैसे होगा? Do you know in plants, rose plant, we cut its branch, it will develop into new plant. The branch develop into new plant. In same kind of, or in animals also, some of the animals there is no female, they itself broken down into new organism. We will discuss later on about this asexual reproduction, but at this time you must understand that a kind of reproduction in which only one individual takes part, one parent takes part, known as asexual reproduction. A kind of reproduction in which involvement of two parents, one is mother, another is father. There are two kinds of the parents. Second, in case of the parents produce some special structures. Parents produce some special structures which takes part in the reproduction. Parents produce some special structures which takes part in the reproduction. These special structures are known as gametes. What do you mean by gametes? The special structures which produced by the parents which takes part in the reproduction known as gametes. In case of the asexual reproduction, gamete formation may occur or may not be occur. May occur and may not be occur. Gamete formation हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी होगा. Exit example मेरे पास नहीं. You can take honey bees. Honey bees produce gametes. Honey bees produce eggs. अगर इन एग्स का मेल भी जो है कुछ गैमेट्स बनाएंगे. अगर मेल वाले गैमेट्स के साथ में फर्टिलाइजेशन हो गया तो इट विल प्रोड्यूस द फीमेल. अगर फर्टिलाइजेशन हो गया, फ्यूजन हो गया दोनों गैमेट्स का, तो प्रोड्यूस होगा फीमेल ऑर्गेनिज्म. बट if there is no fertilization takes place, that unfertilized eggs, so from the unfertilized egg male organisms will develop. Male organisms will develop from the unfertilized eggs. Fertilized eggs, female organism will develop. So gametes may occur or may not be occur. For next one, but in this case, mother produce female gametes and father produce the male gametes. Minimum at least two kind of the gametes are there. At least two kind of the gametes are there. One is male gamete, another is female gamete. Male gamete comes from the father and female gamete comes from the mother. Got it? Now, what is the future of the gametes? These two gametes, suppose this is the female gamete and this is the male gamete. The male gamete and female gamete both get fused and they produce a single cell, and this single cell is called as zygote. What is the zygote? A single cell which is formed by the fusion of male and female gametes is known as zygote. Now try to understand the fusion of male and female gametes. The process of fusion of male and female gamete is called as fertilization. What is the fertilization? The fusion of male and female. देयर इज गैमेट है ही नहीं या है तो फिर फ्यूजन नहीं होगा. सो द फर्टिलाइजेशन डज नॉट टेक्स प्लेस इन केस ऑफ द asexual reproduction. Fusion of male and female gamete is called as fertilization, and fertilization takes place over here. Fertilization takes place over here in case of sexual reproduction. Now look, the in case of the asexual reproduction, only one parent takes part. So offsprings are identical to their parent. Offspring identical to its parent, right? जैसे parents वैसे जैसे features. There is no features involved. There is no source of the origin of new features. But in this case, genetic information comes from the mother, from the egg, comes from the father. So the offsprings get genetic information from the mother as well as father. Genetic information comes from the mother and father both. That's why the offsprings we are not similar to, just completely similar to, neither similar to mother or neither nor similar to father. ना तो हम पूरी तरह अपने मदर जैसे, ना पूरी तरह फादर जैसे. वी आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम बोथ द ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड वी आर एडवांस. देखा, वी आर मोर एडवांस देन आर पेरेंट्स. जो पेरेंट्स करते होंगे वो तो हम नहीं करते. वी आर डूइंग सम मोर, राइट? सो द ऑफस्प्रिंग्स आर neither similar to mother nor similar to father. Now next portion, the organisms are identical to their parent, so variation to I, so variations are absent. But in this case, variations present because we are not similar to mother, not similar to father. We are totally different. We are totally different and more advanced. So this kind of reproduction does not take part in the evolution. Evolution, what do you mean by evolution? Simple to origin of simple to complex organisms. You can say, you know, we are more adapted to survive in the conditions. Our ancestors, they will not be able to live in this condition. अगर उनको यहाँ लाके रख दो तो they can't survive, but we can survive. Why? Due to the evolution. Evolution, development of simple organisms, development of complex organisms from the simple ones. It leads to evolution, but it does not lead to evolution. Suppose we are resist a number of diseases. बहुत सारे diseases जिनके हम लोग resist हो चुके हैं. But our ancestors, our parents may suffer from same kind of the disease. We can handle more stress, but our parents, if they are stressed, they causing heart problems, BP problems, they lead to such kind of many kind of diseases. So the sexual reproduction leads to evolution, development of complex organism to new from the new simple organisms. Got it?